How to unarchive chats on Telegram. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can unarchive the chats on Telegram. So if you want to unarchive the chats on Telegram, you have to follow this step. First of all, launch your Telegram app on your mobile device. Once you have launched your Telegram app, here you have to just go and hold the one of the chat here. Once you have hold that chat, you have to tap on the three dot option which is on the top right corner of the screen. After that, you can see the archive option and you have to tap on the archive option. After putting that chat on the archive, you can see the archive chat which is on the top. You have to tap on that. After that, if you want to archive the chat on your Telegram, just long press on that, tap on the three dot and go for the on archive. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily unarchive the chats on your Telegram. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.